I may not be the first person to show you how to take up less than half the room with plastic bags, but I'm going to show you how to do it with style, Art Deco style, and accessory style. It only takes a minute. Come on, you know you want to see how to do it. Come on. Okay, let's start with another Target bag. Gee, what a surprise if you know me that I have a million Target bags. Just fold it 3 times. I actually like to fold it one more time. I like to get it really small here, if you can see. And then you're just going to take the bottom and just kind of fold it over. Fold it over. See how I'm getting a little triangle going? Folding, another triangle, another triangle. You're just folding the flag. Triangle, triangle, triangle. I'm doing it slow for camera, but I promise you this takes moments. And then you're going to have that little edge there, that little origami edge. And you're going to just tuck your bag into that edge. Look at that. Look at that Target bag. It's adorable now, right? And now you're saying, Colleen, I thought you were going to show us how to do this with style. Well, I am. Most importantly, that's going to be your bracelets in doing these bags. But style starts from you. And everything you do should have a little style. In fact, I'm going to show one of my funny women greeting cards in a little bit that kind of talks about this. But anyway, yeah, of course, style has to start with you. Make sure you're properly accessorized to fold these bags. Now, I am going to show you why bracelets are key to this folding process. They are going to give your arm just that proper weight to totally smooth out that bag. Absolutely helps in getting that fold just heavy enough to really cement that fold where you're doing triangle after triangle after triangle. Honestly, I am the Charlie Brown Christmas tree, and I cannot imagine doing any task, errand, from walking the dog in the morning to going out and about without accessories. So these are fabulous, and this does not have to cost a lot. This one, this enamel and crystal one with a hinge clothing, I got at something called the Bryn Mawr Thrift Shop, where things used to be overpriced, but this was so inexpensive, I'll tell you in a minute, that I literally ran out with it, thinking I was breaking some law or something. Enamel, crystal, I love it. But it wasn't a flea market, so I could not talk the price down anymore, which if you watch me, you know it's something I do. And this, one of my favorite pieces, was from the Jersey Shore. And honestly, once again, under 20, probably just a little over 10, but it, combined with my Speidel ID bracelets and whatnot, it just works. And it makes doing my fun project of folding bags a little more fun. I'm going to reference one of my funny women greeting cards so you can see how I think style, investing style in anything we do is so key. But Colleen, you said you're going to make them Art Deco. Well, I am. So I took that huge pile and I put them in my Art Deco pictures. Yep, that huge, huge pile. It's in here. Well, maybe this isn't my most deco picture, but it's one of my favorites. I have been collecting Art Deco pictures for a bazillion years, but I just felt like putting it in my little tomato today. So that huge pile condensed in here. So again, key what you're going to put it in and key what you're wearing while you're doing it, because style is everything, isn't it? That's what my greeting card characters believe, as do I.